We beat them by almost half.
Delana launching another triple. Yes, again!
Tira na si Aquino. Babap Santa Maria using the glass court. Si Jeff Viernes.
Sa Legazpi, he has redeemed himself.
One, the hustler, Santa Cruz! What up? Yes, yes!
It is last minutes na kanyang fourth quarter. Babap for three. Martin for Babap Santa Maria.
Wala akong masasabi. Kailan yun? Bahala na kayo.
That for three. Kaboom!
Ito talaga ang confidence nitong bat.
Good afternoon mga kasurog! Welcome sa Day 18 ng Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. At habang na kasurog pa, live na live pa rin tayo mga kasurog dito sa napakagandang venue ng Kasiguran Gymnasium para sa ating doubleheader matchup. Our sincerest gratitude of course to the local government of Kasiguran headed by Honorable Mayor Maria Mines Hamor and sa ating butihing Governor Boboy Hamor sa pagpahiram ng napakagandang gymnasium na ito. We are about to watch the anticipated match between Kasiguran with a dominating standing against Donsol who fell a little short in this elimination rounds. I am Angela Espinasilia, your weekend warrior. A pleasure to take you once again to this action along with our veteran and resident basketball commentator na si Sir John Bachiller. Sir John, good afternoon po.
Yes, magandang hapon sa iyo, Sir Angelo. And yun na nga, we are about to witness the labanang Donsol versus Kasiguran. The undefeated Kasiguran going up this depleted lineup ng Donsol. So, wag na natin patagalin pa. And bigyan na natin sa ating arena announcer na si JV Saldinar to start things off. Yes, magandang hapon basketball fans. We are here live at Kasiguran Gymnasium to witness the home game nitong Kasiguran kontra dito sa Donsol. Magandang hapon sa inyo. Ang Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa again. The name is John Bachiller kasama si Sir Angelo Espinosilia. And para sa ating second game ng ating doubleheader ngayong araw na ito.
Ayan, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Isang karangalang ihatid sa inyo ang napakagandang laro dito sa Kasiguran Gymnasium.
Ayan na si JB Paras against Tagum. Paras using the right hand and scores para dito sa Kasiguran. And yun na nga. As early as first quarter talagang Kasiguran is pressuring itong mga taga Donsol. Ayan na si Tagum, double team again. Naagaw ni number 24 na si Habla and scores for 2.
Kasiguran is here to play.
Yes, pero si Nopre answering back with that layup. And this is a good matchup partner, Tagum versus Paras. We know Paras is a high-scoring guard and si Tagum naman dati coming off the bench. Talagang he is a spark pagdating dito sa Donsol.
Indeed, tingnan natin how will this first quarter develop.
Ayan na si Espanyo sa ilalim, si Galoso, undergo stab. Missing the shot but he grabs his own board. Espanyo attacking the defense and scoring for 2. And now the score is 6-2. Lamang po ang Kasiguran and para donning the maroon and yellow trim is itong mga taga-Kasiguran and white and gray itong Donsol. And nga si Nopre hits back-to-back scores pagdating dito sa Donsol.
Interesting development as Kasiguran has been relentless in their attacks, even in their defense as early as the first quarter.
Ayan na si Galoso. Steal by Junior Tagum. Ayan na si Tagum. 2 against 1. Tagum using the glass. Yun na. First 2 points of the ball game para dito kay Junior Tagum.
With a depleted lineup, tingnan natin if Donsol can be consistent with their movements until the last quarter. And if Kasiguran can take advantage with that.
Ayan na si Habla with his second point of the ball game. Fourth point of the ball game pala, partner.
Very well distributed pointing system for Kasiguran in the early 2 minutes of the game.
Ayan na si Junior Tagum using the left hand. Misses the shot. Francisco grabs the board and merong foul na tinawag dito sa number 26 na si James Galoso. And partner, I've noticed is Hafer Mondragon is coming off the bench. And I guess this is the time for again, partner, this Kasiguran squad is still undefeated sa ating torneo. So talagang it is high time or this is a pleasure of ng Kasiguran to rotate their players and yun na nga, mabigyan ng chance na makalaro sa torneong ito.
Indeed, and of course, this is a good strategy because they are already expected to enter the semis after this game.
Kesa na si Tagum binigay dito kay number 7, Chris Mark Magdamit, misses the shot. Tagum for 3. Iron set, nakuha ni John Habla ang bola. Yan na si JB Paras, crosses over. What a pinpoint pass dito. Habla again. His 6th point of the ball game, partner. Grabe. What a hot start dito para kay John Habla. Usually a banger pagdating dito sa loob ng Kasiguran but now he has 6 points sa ating laro.
And unlike itong sa Donsol who traveled all the way, medyo nahihirapan pa rin silang bumutas ng ring.
Ayan na si Galoso using the glass and scores for 2.
And as early as now, itong si Tagum binabantayan agad na itong jersey number 18 na si Paras. They know that Tagum is a lone bright spot for Donsol, but the other teammates said no, we can point and create a point for us as well.
Ayan na si Nopre again with the shot. Pumasok but medyo naturi itong si Nopre. Yes, limping a bit right now. I guess he is hurt, so tingnan natin. But Las Piñas answering back with a booming triple. And this is a high-scoring ball game pagdating dito sa Kasiguran dahil with 5 minutes remaining pa sa ating laro, meron ng 15 points itong mga nakamaroon.
Tama, no? And they want to win. And if they want to win, they want to have a dominating win. So puntahan muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Cassandra Seton for her report. Cassandra, the floor is yours.
This is the last game of Team Kasiguran for the elimination round at grateful sila na wala pa rin silang talo. Kaya naman this afternoon, kahit napasok na sila sa semifinals, magpapakita pa rin sila ng magandang laro. Moreover, for their preparation, they are going to maximize the Holy Week break para makondisyon ang lahat ng players. Ibubuhos nila sa larong ito ang mga adjustment na kailangan nilang gawin at mga bagay na dapat iwasan upang pagdating ng semifinals, confident sila na magandang laro ang ibibigay nila sa kanilang kalaban at sa mga nanonood. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Cassandra. Yun na nga, walang day off ata itong Kasiguran despite the Holy Week break. And nabanggit ata na talagang magpapakondisyon pa rin sila. Yun na nga, after the Holy Week break, partner, yun ang ating, siguro ating semifinals or ating second round. So tingnan natin kung anong preparations sa pass ni Espanyo to Las Piñas.
And kabang-abang, no, yung sinabi ng Team Kasiguran. They will be preparing. So we are expecting a stronger team of Kasiguran in the next stage of our Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. As we are seeing right now, they are not complacent despite they are secured the spot in the semifinals. They are showing the opposite, no? They have been guarding the scorers of Team Donsol for the very first minute of this quarter. So total respect ang binibigay nitong Team Kasiguran sa kanilang kalaban, no, ang Team Donsol.
And right now the score is 19-8. Lamang po ang Kasiguran. Yun na nga, medyo nasa mid ako dun, partner. With 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
And they were able to double the score. So tingnan natin kung anong adjustment ang gagawin ni Coach Hector Serrano dito sa depleted players niya and seemingly a smaller lineup as compared to Team Kasiguran. What techniques, no, should they do in order to cut this ballooning lead, no, as early as the first quarter? So tingnan natin kung anong adjustment ang mangyayari as Manlangit is now dribbling the ball and Tagum rather is still heavily guarded. Grabe naman tong Kasiguran. Walang awa, kumbaga.
Yes, partner. If you notice talaga, sabi mo nga na walang awang binabantayan. So, kasi partner, they're sure sa second round. So, talagang ayaw nila na maging, kumbaga, ayaw nila lumaylay yung kanilang intensity papunta sa ating second round. So, talaga, this is the right attitude pagdating dito sa Kasiguran. To play hard and talagang play their game. So, talagang maganda ang pinapakita ng Kasiguran. Pero si Nopre hits his 8th point of the ball game. And with 3 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter.
An interesting development. They were able to cut the lead into a single digit.
John Habla misses the 3-point bomb. Ayan si Espanyo sa ilalim ng faking. No good. Galoso. Ayan na si Alim. Binigay dito kay Tagum. Tagum will fly. No good.
$1 million play. Doesn't have a shot there. And that's the reason why you can't be complacent against Team Donsol.
Ayan na si Paras dancing. Kicks it out to John Habla. Shot clock is at 13. Habla powering his way inside is scoring for 2. Grabe, partner, si John Habla with 8 points right now on the side of Kasiguran.
And interestingly, itong Team Donsol still feeding the ball to Tagum, which is whom is guarded. Kaya medyo nahihirapan silang pumuntos dito.
Ayan na si Paras, binigay kay Tagum again. Short jumper. No good. Las Piñas loses the ball. And yun nga, partner. We have a platoon substitution. Pinalitan yung 5 ng Kasiguran. Yun ang sinasabi natin, partner. This is the chance for the coaches na to experiment or tingnan natin kung sino yung makakatulong sa kanila come second round. And syempre, yung mga seldom used players, partner, this is the time to shine para makita or sabi nga yung minutes daw talaga earned not given. So talagang this is the chance for them to impress their coach.
Tama, no? And of course, they have to step up if they want to still play the golden minutes in the semifinals, no? Right after the Holy Week. So tuloy-tuloy ang action dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurba.
Yes, yun na nga. Maraming salamat kay Commissioner Lloyd Rivera and syempre ang kanyang kapatid si Bossing Ino Rivera. Magandang hapon po sa inyo mga boss. Ayan na si Nopre. Has 10 points in the ball game right now. And si Reggie Hagad with the turnover. Pero tumira si Alim but misses the shot. Habla Mark binigay dito kay Jukino. Corner 3. He can hit that part there. Sabi sa'yo. And
Grabe, in the worst possible angle, was able to make the shot.
Yes, ayan na si Manlangit and si Jukino, a good matchup. Binigay dito kay Nopre against number 25 na si Reggie Hagad. Nopre step back three, in and out, nakuha ang bola ni number 8 na si Israel Derpo.
Kasiguran, attacking the paint.
Whoa, what a move and what a shot, pero business yan. Dito kay number Mark Habla and na si Francisco attacking Haffer. Nabitawan ng bola and good defense is played by Haffer Mondragon.
Indeed, with 24-12 in last 1 minute and 10 seconds of the first quarter. Tingnan natin kung lolobo pa ang Kalamangan. And speaking, ilista mo na yan sa scoreboard. Another 3 points made.
Ayan na si Derpo Israel, his first points of the ball game courtesy of that 3-point bomb. And right now the score is 12-27, an high scoring ball game, pero si Junior Tagum is determined to lead the squad pagdating dito sa Donsol.
And despite the guard being placed on him, he's still able to get the ball and attack the paint. So very good resilience shown by Junior Tagum for Team Donsol. And that's an out of bounds. So the ball will be given to Team Donsol to cut the lead. No, but right after the inbound, they are heavily guarded. Now dancing is Manlangit with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Give it to Tagum. Tagum directing traffic, asking for a pick. The pick and roll textbook didn't connect. And Manlangit from long range. What a swish by Andre Manlangit.
Yes, si Andre Manlangit scores his first bucket, pero si Jonas Jukino tries to answer back and nothing but the bottom of the net para dito kay Jonas Jukino.
What a quick revenge by Kasiguran.
Yes, the time is running out. Nopre wants to beat the clock. And Mintes yan. And that ends our high-scoring first quarter with the score of 15-30. Lamang po ng 15 itong Kasiguran. Yun na nga, partner, nabanggit mo na this Kasiguran squad is a very determined dito. They're still for sa second round. So talagang ginagalingan nila. Pero we'll see if Donsol will try to bounce back dito sa ating second quarter.
Tama, no? Kitang-kita naman natin na Sir Jan dito sa replay kung bakit there's a 15 commanding lead ang Kasiguran in the early 10 minutes of this game. Kitang-kita naman, they've been attacking relentlessly. Even their defenses is like a wall. No, parang brick wall. Because maybe relatively medyo maliliit itong lineup ng Donsol as compared. But again, nonetheless, despite all of that, itong si Tagum along with his teammates si Nopre and Manlangit is still relentlessly attacking the paint because they are small but high flyer players. So tingnan natin what will happen in the next quarter of the first half.
Tama ka dyan. And as we take a look some our leading scorers partner dito sa Kasiguran, very even distributed with itong si 8 points ni John Habla and may 6 point din dito si Jonas Jukino who shoot 2 3-pointers, and pagdating naman dito sa side ng Donsol, si Nopre with 8 points.
And tingnan natin what else will happen in the second quarter.
Kaya si Haffer kicks it out to Derpo for 3. Short, Junior Tagum with the board.
Good ball movements on the side of Team Kasiguran as they are trying to give everyone a chance to hold the ball before releasing it.
But Jonas Jukino is feeling it, partner. His third 3-pointer of the ball game. And kung napapansin mo, partner, talaga coming off the bench, very steady, relax na relax. Kitang-kita if it's open, he can take the shot, and pag wala, may pantay, he's giving a ball to the open man. So ganun kaganda or katalino maglaro itong si Jonas Jukino.
Indeed, they are enjoying the ball game by shooting from long-range shots and smiling, either missing or hitting that spot.
Yes, air ball galing dito kay number 14 na si Mark Habla, partner. Medyo humawak sa shorts niya. Medyo madulas daw, partner. Napapansin ko pag hindi po mapasok, sabay hawak sa mga shorts sa mga player. Pero biro lang, partner. And right now the score is 33-15. Nopre again attacking. No good. Mark Habla with the board. Nangunguna si Jukino. Pero nandyan si Manlangit. But Jonas Jukino, sabi ni Ale Moy, kanina ka pa. Tama na.
Same spot was rejected because it was predicted Now, Donsol has an opportunity as Manlangit barely crosses the half court with a lob pass that he almost didn't get, asking for a pick. Manlangit with 10 seconds to shoot decided to drop it to his teammate na si
Alim, and that is Nico Alim's first point of the ball game, courtesy of that booming triple. Yan na yung number 3 play ng Kasiguran. Jukino loses the ball.
And with 7 minutes and 53 seconds remaining, we have a score of 33-18. Still with a commanding lead itong Kasiguran.
Nopre misses the shot. Hagad Reggie with the board, kicks it out. Number 14 na si Mark Habla sa ilalim. Binigay pero natapik. Nabitawan itong si Reggie Hagad ang bola. Ang possession mapupunta dito sa Donsol.
Habla was looking forward for a foul there as he was using his body while attacking the paint.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Magdamit wants to attack Haffer. He was blocked. And yun ang partner. If you are not decided to take the shot against Haffer Mondragon, talaga better na to take the shot. For sure, sapal ka dyan. Yun na nga, si Reggie Hagad walk in the park. And he scores his first 2 points of the ball game.
And lead is ballooning as we are dawning in the second quarter. And speaking of, Kasiguran has the ball once again.
Ayun na si Depro, and we have a report galing dito kay Miss Mabel. Miss Mabel, let's go ahead. Magandang hapon sa iyo.
Thanks, Coach John and Coach Jello. Hirap pa rin makahabol sa score ng kabilang kupunan ang Team Donsol sa second quarter ng game. Kulang kasi sila sa players at 6 lang ang naglalaro dahil may mga trabaho sina Renzo Llantero at Bon Harabejo. Nagka-minor injury naman sina JR Arezobal at Jonel Balala sa kanilang laro kamakailan. At may mga personal na lakad sina Giancarlo Nopre at Andre Manlangit. Aminado rin si Coach John ng Team Donsol na may kalamangan in terms of physicality ang Team Kasiguran kaya medyo nahihirapan sila ngayon. Ngunit lalaban umano sila para sa mga taga Donsol. And that's the latest dito sa courtside ng Team Donsol. Back to the panel.
Yes, maraming salamat. Yun na nga, may mga prior commitments itong players ng Team Donsol ay hindi maganda yung nangyari ngayon ang pagkukulang dahil yung scoring na yun. Yan na si Junior Tagum wants to slam the ball, and mabalik tayo dun sa kakulangan ng players. Wala nga si Renzo Llantero and si Bon Harabejo, and that's an automatic 20 points for sure. So yun na nga, and sayang partner, but still kudos to this Donsol squad. Despite the depleted lineup, lumalaban sila dito sa Kasiguran.
Tama, no? Yan talaga ang puso ng isang Bicolano. Oragon, fighting despite the difference in odds. And speaking of, Tagum has been carrying along with Nopre this depleted lineup of Donsol. No, parang sila yung mga nagiging butanding, no, ng Sorsogon ngayon as their place is known for the presence of the whale sharks.
Yes, ayan na si Fran Manlangit, guarded by 2 maroon shirts. Nopre, the leading scorer pagdating dito. Behind the back pass, Junior Tagum with the spin, attacking the baseline. What a move, partner!
Grabe naman yun!
Ayan na si Jonas Jukino again. And what a pass dito kay Haffer Mondragon. Mabalik tayo dun sa tira ni Junior Tagum. Grabe, partner. Walang takot na inatake ang baseline against Haffer Mondragon, and scoring sa kabila. Kaya nahirapan si Haffer sa pali ng bola.
Tama, no? That's a perfect baseline drive created by Junior Tagum. Idagdag mo pa ang 3 points ni Carlo Nopre. Grabe. Puso talaga ang ipinapakita nitong Donsol being the underdogs. No, they can still rise on the occasion because we still have a long way to go for this second game. But with that, with a good ball movement being shown by Team Kasiguran, we cannot pull a rabbit out of a hat. So hindi natin alam kung makagawa ito ng Houdini Act, itong si Tagum at si Nupre, to win this ball game. But again, this is an unpredictable game. So speaking of, very consistent itong si Tagum at si Nupre sa paggawa ng puntos. Pero yan, sinisimplihan lang sila ng Kasiguran. No? The effort of Donsol is being stripped away with the simple shots and breakaway passes by Kasiguran.
Yes, tama ka dyan. One thing I've noticed, partner, yun na nga talagang hirap na hirap umiscore itong Donsol. Kumbaga hard-earned points, but on the side of Kasiguran, after that made basket nitong Donsol, inbound play talagang one pass and a shot dito sa kanilang goal. So talagang yun ang value ng isang Hafer Mondragon, even though he's not scoring a lot, pero yung presence niya sa loob talaga very malakas yung presensya niya dito sa loob ng court.
Indeed, no, as if you are staring against a giant China wall there right away.
Nawalan ako ng adjective na sasabihin doon sa kaganda ng laro na pinapakita ni Hafer Mondragon. But again, and this is far from over. This is just a 17-point lead partner. And ayan na si Manlangit. Binigay dito sa top scorer ng Donsol na si Tagum. Defended by Mark. Ayan na si Tagum. Crosses over. Kicks it out to Manlangit. Shot clock is at 12. Manlangit shoots the 3. No good. Hagad. Binigay dito kay Derpo. You know, we can take that shot pero mintis ang tira.
Tagum once again getting that defensive rebound. Tagum fires a three-pointer that misses. Hafer Mondragon,
Ayun na
his
naman yung-
favorite pass.
Yung outlet pass, sabi ni Hafer, takbo ka lang, but Manlangit against Derpo. Binigay dito kay Alim against Hagad.
Recognizing the presence of a giant inside, baseline drive pa rin itong ginawa ng team Donsol. And very consistent itong si Carlo Nopre. No? Slowly but surely making points for his team.
He has 12 points right now. Yan na si Jonas Juquino. Nopre, pinalik dito kay Mark Habla. No good, Nopre and Reggie Hagad, but nanalo dito sa possession. Itong si Reggie Hagad. In a 2 against 2, Tagum attacking, Tagum. Rebound by Alim.
The hard-earned points. Tingnan natin kung madedepensahan nila ito to cut the seemingly seesaw momentum for both teams.
Yan na si Hafer, kicks it out to Derpo for 3. No good, Reggie Hagad with the board. Yan na si Hagad with a push shot. No good, Nopre with the ball. Pero naagaw nitong si Mark Habla. Juquino wants to take the shot. Grabe si Jonas. That is his 4th 3-pointer sa ating laro.
Kasiguran can shoot both in and out.
And don't look now, partner. This is the biggest lead so far ng Kasiguran with 20 points. Pero sinagot ni Manlangit yan. Alim attacking Hafer.
Well executed cut there inside the paint.
Yan na si Derpo. And what a recognition dito kay Hagad. Tagum heavily guarded by Derpo. Tagum attacking against Hafer. He is blocked partner.
But I think this is a good move, no, and good heart being shown to us by Tagum because he is exhibiting motivation na hawa itong mga kakampi niya with the likes of Nopre and now eventually si Alim. Pero medyo naging active itong team Donsol. So we had a little injury there. So sana hindi malala. But medyo nasasaktan itong si Francisco
Yes,
as he
and,
tried to cut inside the paint there.
Tama ka dyan. And we hope na he's okay. Kasi ayaw naman natin na ganun yung mga players na nakikita natin. Pero still, Francisco is grimacing in pain right now. So, sana nga he's okay. But, yun na nga, he is holding kanina sa kanyang left knee ata.
Yes. Mukhang sobrang sakit as he is covering his eyes. Mukhang umiiyak na itong si Francisco.
Ito yung mga tipo ng injury na ayaw nating makita or maranasan ng mga players natin. Kasi nga talaga kung mga ankle injury lang yan. Pero mahirap kasi pagtuhod eh. So talagang we'll see. Pero nandiyan naman ating mga medical team or medics to ensure the safetyness of the players. So talagang maraming salamat po dito sa MDRMO Kasiguran. And syempre, hatid sa inyo ni Mayor Maria Menez Hamor ng Kasiguran. And syempre si Governor Buboy Hamor ng probinsya ng Sorsogon. Maraming salamat po. sa suporta ng binibigay nyo sa aming liga.
And of course, these games from the different provinces, starting with Legazpi, followed by Camarines Sur, Cam Norte, Catanduanes, and now in Sorsogon. The Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon is brought to you by none other than Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurug pa. And I think this is a bad development for Team Donsol as it has been ever since the first quarter. Kasi kanina, 6 lang sila if I'm not mistaken. Now, the players of Team Donsol has to play until the 4th quarter until Francisco recovers from that injury that he had. So tingnan natin if they can step on the gas until the 4th quarter or they will be out of oxygen by then.
What a move, partner, ni Junior Tagum. He is the bright spot dito despite his height, partner, pero tingnan mo kung paano lumipad itong si Junior Tagum. Kaya si Jokino binigay kay Mark Habla, attacking the baseline and the post shot. Very easy 2 points dito, partner, pagdating sa kasiguran.
Usually I develop a stereotype na pag naka-afro magaling mag-basketball.
Yes, yan na si Tagum shooting the 3, block ni Mark Jokino. Outlets to Hafer, binigay kay Mark Habla for 3.
What a swish.
And another assist, yan na. Manlangit with the Hail Mary shot. And that ends our first half with a score of 62-39. A whopping, a dominating first half pagdating dito sa kasiguran. So we'll see if Donsol will be bounced back sa ating second half or talagang tuloy-tuloy na ang pananalasa ditong kasiguran.
And with 23 points leading and 5 players remaining, magbabalik po kami for the next development on the 3rd and 4th quarter.
Hawak na ni Paul Lee ang court ng Ako Bicol Cup. Sorsogon.
Basketballistang Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang kinaming talento, objeto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong sa lahat kami ay sama-sama, tagapak ng pawis, di namin alintana masasaktan, madadapa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uwi na kayo ko lamang may katay, sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway, dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol. Di ka atrasan sa basketballan, maraming natutunan, kaibigan, disiplina at
in my capacity as representative of Ako Bicol Party List and on behalf of Congressman Zaldico, I hereby declare Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon officially open. Good luck to everyone.
nagpapasalamat po kami ng marami sa pagdating dito ng Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya malaking pasalamat po na napunta kayo dito sa Sorsogon.
Ang ganda po ng opportunity nito sa aming manlalaro at saka sa ibang mga katim po namin. Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Cup.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Cup. Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Cup.
We beat them by almost half. Celada launching another triple. Yes, again!
Diray na si Aquino. Babab Santa Maria using the glass court. Si Jeff Viernes.
Sa Legazpi, he has redeeming himself. Nakasal, Santa Cruz! What up? Yes!
It is last minutes na kanyang fourth quarter. Baba, fourth play. Martin for Babab Santa Maria.
Wala akong masasabi. Ayun yun. Bahala na kayo.
Yeah, fourth play. Come on!
Ito talaga ang confidence nitong back.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Nakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may kamalilingwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Hawak na ni Paul Lee ang torch ng Ako Bicol Cup. Sorsogon!
Basta't pulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang kinaming talento, kompleto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama. Tagatak ng pawis, di namin alintana masasaktan, madadapa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uuwi na kayo ko alamat may katay, sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway. Dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol.
In my capacity as representative of Ako Bicol Party List and on behalf of Congressman Zaldico, I hereby declare Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon officially open. Good luck to everyone.
Nagpapasalamat po kami ng marami sa pagdating dito ng Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya malaking pasalamat po na napunta kayo dito sa Sorsogon.
Ang ganda po ng opportunity nito sa aming manlalaro at saka sa ibang mga katim po namin. Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Cup.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Cup.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Cup.
Magbabalik po tayo sa bakbakang Kasiguran versus Donsol. Kasiguran, the home team, headed by Jokino with a staggering 16 points and followed by Derpo with 10 points. Samantalang sa side naman ng Donsol, we have Nopre and Tagum. No, Nopre with 13 points and Tagum with 12 points. So nanguna at nakalamang no sa first half itong team Kasiguran, while resilient naman and patuloy na humabol itong team Donsol. So tingnan natin kung anong development ang mangyayari on the third and fourth quarter of this game. Kung pagpapatuloy ba itong team Kasiguran sa pag-abante o makakabawi itong team Donsol.
Yes, para sa ating team stats ng ating first half, ang bench points dito, 41 points ang Kasiguran, and on the points on the paint, medyo even with 13-28. Sa turnovers, partner, medyo even din. And sa pass break points, lamang ng 5 puntos itong Kasiguran. And para sa ating second chance points, tabla po sila. So tingnan natin if ano ang magiging patuloy ditong second half sa ating larong ito.
Indeed, very interesting development for both teams.
Yes, yun na nga. First time na ipasok dito si Ansus Johnson, one of the leading scorers din pagdating dito sa Kasiguran on that sequence. Yan na si Mark Habla, binigay dito kay number 8 na si Derpo Israel, and Ansus Johnson.
And nabati mo, Sir John, pumuntos agad.
Yes, partner. And right now, ito si Chris Mark Magdamit, defended by Mark Habla. And now the score is 39-64. Ayan na si Manlangit kanina, being steady. Sayang, partner. Sabi ni Chris Mark na gumat ka. But a turnover dito sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter pagdating dito sa Donsol.
Tama, miscommunication on the part there of Donsol. A bad start for them. Tingnan natin if Kasiguran will take advantage of their momentum.
Ayan na si Habla. Binigay kay Hamila. Ansus Johnson. What a pass dito kay Mark Habla, pero mintis. Nopre collects the board. And si Nopre din, one of the leading scorers dito pagdating sa Donsol with I guess 12 points. Ayan na si Nopre using the left hand and scores using the glass.
Nopre still stepping on the gas on this third quarter.
Ayan na si Junior Tagum. Binigay dito kay Alim. Alim. What a move, pero mintis ang tira nun. Pero yung aggressiveness talaga, partner, nitong si Tagum and Alim, very evident dito sa side ng Donsol. So tingnan natin if talagang magtutuloy-tuloy or talagang didepensahan na nitong Kasiguran itong mga key players ng Donsol. Ayan na si Alim, defended by Habla. We have a jump ball na itinawag, pero ang possession mananatili dito sa Donsol.
Tama, no? And etong si Tagum is showing good offense as well as defense, no? Very quick reflex and agility movement yung pinakita niya doon sa interception na naganap.
Ayan na si Tagum, attacking the paint with the Pinoy step, up and under, plus the foul, partner.
Pwedeng ilista yan sa highlights, Sir John, against all odds. That's 4 against 1 as he attacks the paint.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Tagum, partner, right now. He has 15 points and he's in the bonus free throw right now. So tingnan natin. Yun na nga, mananatiling 15 points ang puntos nitong si Junior Tagum. Yan na si Habla, signaling the number 3 play. Takes it out to Derpo. Mintis ang tira nitong si John Habla. Yan na si Tagum, dancing. Pinpoint passing binigay dito. Manlangit hesitates. What a move. Yan na si Alim, pero nabitawan lang ang bola.
Team Kasiguran now is double guarding every person who is holding the ball. So this is proving to be more difficult than it is in the first half for Team Donsol.
Tama ka dyan. Yan na si Habla again, signaling play number 3. Yan na. Tagum is all alone. Tagum makes sure na scores 17 point of the ball game. And right now, medyo nag-uumpisa ng gumanda ang opensa ng Donsol. We'll see if tuloy-tuloy na or Anong adjustments ang bibigyan nitong Kasiguran?
Tama, they are very consistent in their offense pero medyo scattered sila when it comes to defense. They cannot control the force of Kasiguran inside and outside the paint.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan na si Chris Mark Magdamit. Once an isolation pero binigay ang bola kay Alim. Shot clock is at 9. Magdamit. Naagaw ni Hamila. And Hamila uses his left hand. And easy two partner. Yan na si Magdamit again. A very steady guard pagdating dito sa Donsol, scoring his layup.
A little way to regain his name after losing the ball for a turnover right there.
Yan na Hamila again. Free throw jumper Mintes. What a drop pass dito kay Anzus Johnson.
And ito na, the difference in their physique is showing off. Kasiguran has been taking advantage of attacking inside the paint with the relatively smaller players.
Yes, yan si Junior Tagum. Once an isolation pagdating dito kay Anzus Johnson. May switch. Tagum decided to take the 3-point shot. Mintes, Hamila grabs the board. And he is in a foot race. 4 against 2. Hamila drops it off to number 24 na si John Habla.
This is as if they're picking cherries for Team Kasiguran. Well, again, same story for Donsol. They are struggling to gain every point.
Ayan na si Alim attacking against Anzus Johnson. Partially deflected na rebound ni Habla. Binigay dito kay Mark Habla. Give and go play. Ang gandang fake and the shot. Misses. Pero Habla again with the board.
Cleaning up his own mess there. Itong si Habla.
He has 12 points partner sa ating laro.
Donsol still struggling to earn the points despite attacking relentlessly the paint. So maybe they will try to shoot outside.
Yes, Manlangit. What a shot pero Mintes yan. Hamila. Again with his 4th rebound of the ball game. Hamila is rushing. Hamila attacks. Mintes ang layup. Derpo skying high and scores for 2. Kaya na si Junior Tagum with the push shot, the floater Mintes. Manlangit.
That was a desperate shot by Tagum right there. Magdamit.
Manlangit, short jumper Mintes yan. Hamila gives the ball to number 24 na si John Habla. Mark for 3. No good. Alim collects the board. Yun ang partner. Medyo siso type of basketball ang meron tayo ngayon dahil nga siguro hindi na rin talaga. Pero si Junior Tagum with a backdoor play galing dito kay Manlangit. Mabalik tayo doon. And yun na lang talaga ang nagiging lakas ng Donsol right now. Itong si Junior Tagum dahil nga talaga they're undermanned. They're 6 players lang right now compared dito sa 13 players na Kasiguran.
And na-injured pa yung isa. So what a nightmare they're experiencing. Well, again, they're wearing the heart on their sleeves as they're playing with their utmost energy. Especially itong si Tagum, no, that is inspiring his teammates to play very well.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Despite the high talaga. Yan, medyo nanggigil itong si John Habla. Natawagan siya ng foul. Yun ang mabalik tayo doon. Despite the lead na napakalaki, still si Junior Tagum is attacking the basket at will. And syempre sabi niya, ito ang magandang exposure partner dito sa ating mga players na. Yan sinasabi natin na talagang napakalaking media mileage ang meron tayo sa Ako Bicol Cup. So talagang kailangan pakita mo kung ano ang kaya mo. Yan na si Tagum again attacking. Nabitawan ng bola. Derpo is rushing. Derpo drops it up to Las Piñas. And easy 2 partner.
Tama. And kaya nga, sabi nga niyan, you never lose. You either win or you learn. So that's why Tagum is playing with all his might. Kasi, again, this is a rare opportunity to play against the highest caliber player in Bicol region.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Si Anzus Johnson collects the board. Yan na si Mark Habla. Wants to attack the paint. And flies and scores for 2.
And still, they cannot defend the attacks and the offenses of Team Kasiguran. So, their only hope is to close the gap by scoring themselves na medyo nahihirapan pa rin nga sila. Steps back itong si Nopre. But that is an air ball which results a turnover And medyo nakalata na itong si coach ng Donsol na medyo nagiging malamya na sa depensa ang Team Donsol. So I think they have to regroup and give their all because this might probably be their last game in this elimination round.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yun na nga, undermanned itong Team Donsol right now. And so kasiguran talagang experimenting right now dahil nga they're in the second round na, sure na. Because nasa top seed sila ng ating standings with wala pang talo. So yun na nga sinasabi ko from the start na talagang itong kasiguran talaga is preparing para sa ating second round.
Tama, no? And of course, this kasiguran cannot be complacent because though they are expected to have a 5-0 right after this game, the other district, Sir John, no, is forced to be reckoned with. Mukhang bigatin yung mga nasa kabilang distrito ng Sorsogon. And I think they really have to prepare in order to win the semis and advance to the finals.
Yes, tama nga. Team Donsol should take care of both offense and defense for them to have the chance to win the game. Pero yun na nga ang pinapakita ngayon. Pero Donsol, kasiguran talaga is determined to win. And siyempre sa kasiguran naman, they're leading right now. But still, mathematically possible pagdating dito sa Donsol na matalo. But for sure, tingnan natin, abangan natin if Donsol will take over sa quarter na ito.
Tama, no? With 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining, Donsol still proving that they are worthy opponent.
Yes, yun na si Ansus Johnson with a block dito kay Tagum. And speaking of block, parang aking kaibigan na magaling maglaro ng golf na si Merto Rojas Jr. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Padi. Salamat sa pag-suporta lagi sa akin and sa Liga. And siyempre may brothers from Albay Basketball Community. Magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Yan, magandang hapon po sa mga viewers natin sa ating social media platforms. You are watching Donsol versus Kasiguran as Tagum is now being trapped by Marticio kanina. Sorry, that's Derpo.
And si Tagum attacking 3 defenders, partner. In and out, napansin ko partner si Nopre, hindi na siya bumababa dahil siguro kanina iika-ika siya dahil yung tuhod niya na tamaan kanina. Pero sabi ni Derpo, I can shoot the 3-point bomb.
And with seconds to play on the third quarter, continues ang kalamangan nitong Team Kasiguran against Team Donsol.
Yes, ayan na si Alim with the shot. No good. Habla. Outlets to Las Piñas. Pero nandun si Junior Tagum. But Las Piñas collects the board and take the shot. Yun ang part na napapansin ko dito kay Las Piñas. Coming off the bench, talagang nag-contribute ang player na ito. So, malaking bagay din ito pagdating sa Kasiguran. Ayan na si Nopre with the lefty hook. Bounces out and now the shot clock is off. Habla attacking. Drops it up to Derpo using the glass. And yun na nga partner. For sure, Kasiguran will hit the century mark sa ating laro with 93-49. And what a steal again. Las Piñas looks at the clock. He attacks and misses the layup, and that ends our third quarter with a score of 49-93. Lamang po ang Kasiguran, and what a game, partner. Talagang kulang sa tao itong Donsol. So talagang nag-capitalize itong Kasiguran doon sa pagkukulang nitong Donsol.
Tama, no? I think all the possible disadvantages has been experienced by Donsol right now. Kulang yung players nila, disadvantage sila when it comes to the height, no, difference, and at the same time they are the underdogs of this game. But despite that, no, they were able to gain 49 points against Team Kasiguran, who's been at the top seed of this district. And makikita natin dito sa highlights, grabe yung mga breakaway passes, parang again, no, piece of cake lang itong mga shots na ginagawa ng Team Kasiguran. But again, that's because they have the big man with the likes of Hopper Mondragon, who has been controlling the rim, no, by his rebounds and instantly throwing the ball to the other side of the court. So sobrang ganda ng laruan itong Team Kasiguran. I think I'm really excited of what we were able to see, in the semifinals of this Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Para sa ating leading scorers dito sa Kasiguran on the side is si Israel Derpo with 19 points. And itong si Jonas Juquino with 16. And on the side of Donsol naman, si Junior Tagum may whopping 18 points. And si Carlo Nopre with 15 points.
And I think we have here the game. There's a surprising development. Again, we are clearing what's happening right now. But again, the elimination rounds doesn't end here. We still have 4 games tomorrow at Gubat Gymnasium. So we are inviting you, if malapit lang kayo and if free kayo, please join us in the live match in the Gubat Gymnasium. No, meron po tayong 4 na laro. Bukas mapapanood nyo ang inyong mga idolo sa 8 munisipyo. No, starting off at 1 p.m. we have series of games prepared for you. No, I'm just looking for the list of games for tomorrow. So for those who are still with us in our social media platforms, huwag kakaligtaang manood at sumabaybay gamit ang ating mga social media accounts, ang Ako Bicol Online TV, Rep Saldico FB page, Ako Bicol YouTube channel, and Ako Bicol TikTok page. Again, tomorrow, live na live tayo mga kaibigan sa Encinas Pavilion, Gubat, Sorsogon, starting with our first game at 1 p.m. Bulan versus Prieto Diaz. Right after that, we have the 3 p.m. match by Bulusan and Team Erosin, no, a powerhouse team. And of course, we have Barcelona and Matnog. And to end the ball game, we have the Gubat versus Santa Magdalena. So, very exciting matchup, no? And I think we are closing the elimination rounds now. So, don't miss the chance. Especially, this is a Holy Week treat for you. So, kung bakasyon na po kayo, kung malapit lang kayo sa Gubat, Sorsogon, huwag kakalimutang pumunta at panoorin ang umaatikabong bakbakan ng 8 probinsya, 8 munisipyo rather, dito sa probinsya ng Sorsogon. I am as well very excited of the games that will be happening tomorrow. So again, we are inviting you. These games are being brought to you here by none other than Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurug pa. Mapapanood tayo again sa different social media platforms natin. Ang Ako Bicol Online TV, Rep Saldico FB page, Ako Bicol YouTube channel, and please do follow our Ako Bicol TikTok page for more highlights and stories of the game and the players as well. Sobrang ganda ng mga laro po dito. And for those who just joined the series of Ako Bicol Cup games, nagsimula po tayo sa Legazpi. Then, eventually, we went to Camarines Sur. Right after Camarines Sur, we drive all through Cam Norte and we jumped to the island of Catanduanes, and now we're here at Sorsogon. And with a little rest right after this cup here in Sorsogon, we will go to the battle in Masbate. And right after that, pagpaplanuhan na ang inter-province where we will pick the top 4 seeds for each province and magbabakbakan sila sa most awaited Inter-Province Cup ng Ako Bicol Cup. So very exciting. Titingnan natin kung among all the municipalities, among all the provinces, sino kaya ang champion, sino ang magwawagi sa Inter-Province. Very exciting and very anticipated na regalo sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. So maraming salamat po. Of course, ang aming mga commissioners. Thank you so much, Sir Lloyd Rivera and the Assistant Commissioner, Sir Ino Rivera. And ang aming mga bossing, maraming salamat po.
Yes, so take a look some highlights, partner. Yun na nga, napagandang highlights ng ating laro, partner. And tingnan muna natin ang ating mga highlights ng laban ng Donsol versus Kasiguran.
Yan, indeed. Eto, kitang-kita natin. So ayan, good afternoon mga kasurog. If you notice, we stopped the live feed a while ago. And to explain what happened, I'm with Sir John. Sir John, ano bang nangyari sa atin kanina?
Yes, kanina nagkaroon tayo ng medyo konting dahil yung mga players ng Donsol, I guess, suffered an injury sa dalawang sunod. So talagang that led siguro to stoppage ng laro. So tingnan natin, kasama natin si Sir Jojo to explain things kung ano nangyari on that sequence. Sir Joe, magandang hapon sa iyo, sir.
Okay, good afternoon to you guys. Team Donsol had only six players. Six players, okay? So, during the game, nagkaroon sila ng injuries. At least, I think, 3 players were injured during the games after the third quarter. So, going to the fourth quarter, so the players that can still play is 3. So, I think the coach concede the game.
Yes, kumbaga nag-decide na lang na talagang hindi na rin abot. So, lamang rin naman ang kasiguran. So, still, that is the reason pala kung bakit na-stop ang ating laro. So, maraming salamat, Sir Jojo.
Thank you, guys.
On that update. And syempre, ayun na nga, partner. Bukas, partner, meron tayong laro. Ang ating Sunday special sa Encinas Pavilion. Gubat, Sorsogon, puro tayo. So, better watch our games bukas. And again, maraming salamat sa Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Syempre, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldi Go ng Bicol Party List. Katabang nakasurok pa.
This has been Angelo Espinacilla. And with me is...
Yes, Wadi John Bachiller at your service. Thank you and good afternoon.